Probably just the box. And the fact it's got bent.
Oh, look at this shirt, bro.
Ripping. Touge Sesh, welcome. It's already rowdy. Jesse's getting ready. Literally getting ready.
Never say one more time.
Previous biking expedition, and he's busted his ankle quite badly. It's actually twice as bad as the other one, so he's strapping it up. No excuses, we're still going.
No good.
So he's just trying to fix the car. But look, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the Touge night.
I got
honestly,
the fake dead, mate.
hey,
It's a fake thing.
that's borderline cancer.
Yeah, could be.
But anyway, Touge night, how was it for you? Because your leg's better now, because from when we drifted to now, I didn't film an outro. So how good's that?
Yeah, better.
Oh yeah.
It's strapped now. Physio gave me a massage. Didn't want him to stop, but here we are.
Upper third leg.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Check out the store if you need some AU stuff. We're doing Mustang stuff as well, as you probably would have seen. So hopefully we got our Mustang sorted soon. I hope you enjoyed it. Or also might add, Jesse's gonna do his YouTube channel, and he's trying not to swear. So far it hasn't worked. He's filmed big YouTube guy. He's filmed one intro and he's like, I will not swear, and I think he swore about 4 times in it.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Maybe more.
Yeah.
I'm not getting monetized anyway.